Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing how to make DIY face serum using a sheet mask. This facial serum helps reduce wrinkles, fades dark spots, pigmentation and repairs skin damage. So in the procedure of making a facial serum, we just need one sheet mask. We all know that the sheet mask is fully soaked with concentrated serum which consists of many beneficial ingredients to the skin such as hyaluronic acid and vitamins. This concentrated serum penetrates deep into the skin and helps to hydrate, brighten up and make your skin firm. To make this serum we just need a empty serum bottle and a sheet mask. If you have a dropper serum bottle like this, it will be convenient to use. When you immerse the dropper into the serum, the liquid will be suctioned into the dropper and it's convenient to use. You can just press the required amount of serum into your palms and use it on your face. To make the serum, I just open up the package of sheet mask carefully. Once you take out the sheet mask, gently squeeze all the serum into a clean and dry container. Sheet mask almost have way too much serum in the packet, so it doesn't all go waste by using in this way. I'm gonna show you a couple of ways to use this serum in this video, and at the end of the video let us talk some important tips to use before you use this serum. Most of the brands pack in extra serum or essence to make sure your mask is thoroughly soaked and hydrated. So it has way too much serum in the packet, it doesn't all go waste. Gently squeeze all the serum out of the packet. To treat the targeted areas like under eyes, I'm gonna take a cotton pad and cut it in the shape of eye mask. Apart from applying eye cream, create your own DIY eye mask using this cotton pads and serum. This is not only the best DIY eye mask for under eyes but also to reduce puffiness as well. To make this hydrating eye mask, all you have to do is take those cotton pads and just dip into the serum and place them under your eyes for 10 minutes. This mask will hydrate your under eye area and work on dark circles. Now to store serum in a good and proper way, take a serum container like this one and pour the serum into it. This serum is filled with various minerals and vitamins and it is difficult to use a sheet mask every day. So it is easy and convenient to use and apply and bring that sheet mask effect onto your skin. So this is an inexpensive face serum that we can make easily at home, which helps to nourish, brighten up and also hydrate your skin. And it's very easy to use when you are busy and barely have time. Apply it on a clean face, and the good thing is you don't have to bother washing it off after applying. Then follow up with your regular moisturizer to lock in the hydration. You can use this serum as many times as you want throughout the day or week, but I recommend using it 3 times a week or once in a day for extra care. So this is how I made my own DIY homemade serum using a sheet mask. This serum gives the good effect on your skin just like your regular serum. And the best way to preserve it is to keep it in the refrigerator and use it whenever you are in the need of it. You can also make instant eye mask by taking the serum from the refrigerator and putting it on the cotton pads. So yeah, this way you can do more targeted treatments like your T-zone and dry patches on your face. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you're watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe.